Hello and welcome to a new vlog. So I wanted to start off with showing you how my knitting business things are going right now. I showed you the sweater I started to knit and it is done, except for like I need to weave in the ends. I have also started a new thing and that's actually a first for me. I am experimenting with different colors and different like techniques and things. Like, it's very simple, but still it's gonna be a colorful vest and I'm really excited to see how it will turn out, and I really hope it's gonna, like, the person who ordered this is gonna like it. For this vlog I wanted to take you along in my life today and during the next few days, and I also just want to focus on like doing things, because I think doing things is kind of like a very important part of living a content, happy life, instead of like not doing things, consuming things and worrying about why am I not happy with my life? Why do I want to change all of this? Why do I want to buy all this stuff? So we're gonna talk about that later. But now I think I want to take you into the kitchen to make some kimchi. So I've been just watching a lot of Korean dramas lately, like during the past few months, which made me crave Korean food. And I will link you like a kimchi recipe down below by Cheap Lazy Vegan. I think she makes a lot of amazing recipes I like to follow. I do have to say I've been kind of like in a cooking rut for the past year actually, and trying out new recipes and like new kinds of foods really makes me excited for cooking again. So that's also something I've been doing with kimchi, like making dishes that need it as an ingredient and just having fun, you know, trying out new things. And before we can continue on the kimchi, I will actually take a picture of what I've knit here and send it to the person who ordered it to just, you know, ask her if that looks okay, so that I don't knit a whole piece and then she says like, oh no, I absolutely don't like this. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And now I'll import all of the footage I already have on this camera and I'll start editing this vlog. I need to go print a picture and buy some things. And I just want to show you that I've been wearing this sweater a lot more lately. So I think I invited it into my wardrobe last summer. And to be honest, I was very unsure about this sweater. And then during like autumn and winter, I kind of like never actually wore it. And I think, you know, in minimalist wardrobe YouTube videos, people always talk about these items that you never wear. And in my wardrobe, I have to say, like, that doesn't really happen unconsciously. So I don't really have items that I just never wear because I don't see them, because I don't remember them, because I have such a limited amount of pieces. I can at least like intentionally wear every single piece. And so that's what I've done with this sweater, and I just wanted to like give it a chance, you know. So I've had it for almost a year now, and I think it's starting to grow on me. So I've been intentionally wearing it more and realizing that it's great because it's like a thinner cotton sweater, so it's great for summer. And yeah, what do you think? Do you think the color suits me? Do you think it's too bright, too like in your face? I'm not sure, but I'm starting to like it, and I don't think it's a sweater that I want to wear every single day, but it's okay, I think, to have pieces that you just want to wear every now and then when, you know, I want to have a splash of color in my outfit. So it's what I'm wearing today. And now I got to go. So I let the cabbage wilt, and I washed it and drained it from all its water, and now that's what we have. Now it also fits in one bowl. It's still maybe gonna be a disaster keeping it in one bowl, but I want to finish making this kimchi. Okay, I think I can already see that this is going to be a disaster if I try to put this in here and mix everything. So I guess we have to resort to a second container again. So this definitely looks better than this one. Here the color is all on the bottom. But that's why I like to do it in one batch, so that I'm sure that I spread everything equally. But my kimchi is done for now. I'm gonna let it like stay outside until this evening, and then I'm gonna move it to the fridge, and then we're gonna eat it over the next few weeks. Again, I'm just like doing this for the 5th time maybe. I like how the kimchi turns out for us, but I'm just using all the tips I have read and seen from Korean people. So yeah, thank you for inventing something so delicious. So actually I have a meeting in a few minutes, and I rarely have meetings in general, but this is like a potential YouTube collaboration partner, and I think they're in the US, so that's just the time where, you know, you can have a meeting because of the time difference. But then that's kind of the last thing I'm gonna do for today. It's, by the way, it's like 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna have this meeting and then I'm just gonna watch some more of my drama and go to bed. Hello. Yeah. So hello and good morning from the lake. I actually challenged myself this year to go swimming more than last year, like during the summer and just like in natural water like lakes and rivers and the ocean. But last year I went 6 times, so this year I hope to go at least 7 times, and this is the 5th time. But let's go. Another thing I wanted to talk about, and it's what I mentioned at the beginning of this video, about doing stuff instead of consuming stuff. Create more, consume less, or something like that. And I think it's about that what I want to say. But I recently just thought about our consumerist culture again and realized that I'm of course not free from that, and that I tend to want new stuff sometimes and think that my life would be better with new stuff or better items, more expensive items. But then I realized that whenever I have like a phase in my life where I do a bunch of stuff, when I'm like traveling, when I'm meeting a lot of new people, when I'm doing just exciting things, taking on a new project, these are the times where I tend to be just happy about my stuff or just don't care about my stuff. So what I want to say is that sometimes I think we become obsessed with seeking the answers to happiness, or like answers in general in stuff, when we don't do enough. So I think it's a good idea to like seek out these little joys in life that you can do. Go for a swim on the weekend, in the evening, in the morning before work, whatever works for you. Go on a walk, plan a day trip, plan a bigger trip, try out a new hobby. Just do stuff that makes you happy, and then naturally you become less interested in stuff or less interested in trying to consume your way to happiness. So if you're like really living your life, you forget to worry about stuff. And I think that's kind of the goal. And it doesn't have to be a trip around the world or something like super exciting per se, but it's enough to do like little things that make you happy, to take away the focus from stuff and consuming, no matter if it's like consuming stuff or if it's consuming media and things like that. So I think that's it for today's vlog. So please leave me your opinion about that and other stuff in the comments down below. And I do hope to see you next time here on my channel. Wow, the sun is bright. But I do want to link you another vlog where I talk about our summer plans right here. I hope to see you there, and goodbye.